gon' get to it, get everything we deserve. Forgotten society.
YouTube, what's happening? It is your guy Hitch. I've noticed that the talks around basketball signature sneakers have been picking up as of late, and it makes sense. All-Star Weekend was just a few weeks back, so you had a bunch of brands unveiling new products that they have coming, and a lot of the conversation have been around Adidas. And Adidas hasn't really done much in the sneaker space outside of Yeezy in a really long time, but some of their new models look pretty good, so it's well warranted. You got the Harden 8 that just released, AE1s that's been doing pretty well, the Dame 9s are coming, so I'm not mad at it. However, I think there needs to be more conversation around the Tatum 2s. And especially seeing what happened with Jayson Tatum's first signature shoe last year, where they had leaks come out, he denied it and said it wasn't the real shoe, and it really was. And then the jokes went crazy, and I appreciated them because the Tatum ones were just not my cup of tea. But on March 5th, they launched his second signature shoe with this Mama's Boy colorway, and I'm a bit shocked.
No question, pull down to the socks, I'm a question. Same thing in the fuck you, same thing in the peace out. Can't stop, won't stop, cause it's not in my design. No, till I don't wanna own it, I just wanna get my lease on. On the road to the riches, disobeying street signs. Same thing in the fuck you, same thing in the peace out. Can't stop, won't stop, cause it's not in my design. No, till I don't wanna own it, I just wanna get my lease on. On the road to the riches, disobeying street signs. Jeff Curry with the 3-ball, still go hard in the paint. Huddle up on 3, let's do it for a little sake. Just do it, cause they telling me okay. I done shed my tears, only right, I laughed too.
I'm shocked, but shocked in a good way with these Tatum 2s. So with this Mama's Boys colorway, Jordan Brand is showing respect and appreciation to Jayson Tatum's mom, Brandy Cole, and they're doing so by using a white canvas material throughout the entire uppers and black involved stitching that provides this floral print throughout the uppers, and I'm a big fan of it. I think it looks really, really good. Also, I'm happy to see them using canvas. It's a different material than the typical cheap mesh or some plastic type materials that they normally use on the uppers of basketball kicks, so that's great to see. Now, even though the canvas material is the base layer, they're also using that canvas material as the top overlays as well to provide stability in the uppers. And then finally on the back, they bring in this black textile accent that has the Volt Jumpman logo on the back heel. These Tatum 2s are going to come with black flat laces in them, and then beneath the laces you do have the black mesh tongue. The tongue is perforated, which is good. It will allow some air to circulate through the sneaker if you are going to be hooping in these. At the top of the tongue, it's finished off with this felt-like material, or it's really, really cheap nubuck. I wish they would have went a little bit more premium, either canvas or suede. And then you have Jayson Tatum's logo at the top. The logo is a little bit bland to me personally, but it does pop in the Volt color. On the inside of the sneaker, it's black for the most part, black mesh lining, black insole. But on the back of the tongue, you do have Jayson's son's nickname, Deuce, and Jayson Tatum's logo down at the bottom in Volt. As a father, love to see that he has his son's nickname there, but it also reminds me of a Jordan 4 tongue with that black tag, which I think is pretty cool.
We're gonna take what's ours. We're gonna get to it, get everything we deserve. Forgotten society.
The standout details for these Tatum 2s are going to be on the midsoles, and that's because of the large Volt pods on both the lateral and medial sides, which is so reminiscent to 90s basketball kicks. So the front pods are made out of foam, the rear pods are made out of textile, and then they use foam to wrap the lateral pods and use textile to wrap the medial pods. This tech setup is to provide stability for multi-directional movement. Again, if you are going to be hooping in these. You also have the Jumpman logo in hyper pink on the lateral side, and beneath that last pod on the medial side, it says "Find a Way," which is just a motto that Jayson Tatum lives by. Love when they add those subtle details to signature sneakers. The rest of the midsoles are going to be white, but on the back heel you have that hyper pink TPU accent with Jayson's jersey number, and vote.
When my dudes lose go, best friend. Great later, fuck less than. Count money in blessings. Niggas know I'm the best man, no question. Blow down to the socks, I'm equestrian. Same thing in the fuck you, same thing in the peace out. Can't stop, won't stop.
These Tatum 2s do have a full-length air strobo unit, and then beneath everything you have your black outsole with those big translucent Volt pod-like accents, and finally the Jumpman logo in the toe area.
Till I don't wanna own it, I just wanna get my lease up. On the road to the riches, disobeying street signs live. Jeff Curry with the 3-ball, still go hard in the paint.
I was not a fan of the Tatum 1 at all. But what I think is cool is that you can see how this sneaker evolved from the Tatum 1. I think it's dope when you can see the progression that a signature line has, and this is definitely progression coming out of that Tatum 1. I think Jordan Brand did a really good job with these. I love the 90s influence in the sneaker. I've seen some people say it reminds them of a Flight Posit 3, which is a sneaker I wish Nike would bring back any day. But for me personally, I think these remind me more of the Air Flight 1s, which is a sneaker I do love and enjoy. And the colorway is dope. It's really good to see them use the canvas material. I'm tired of seeing brands just keep putting on cheap mesh on their basketball kicks. You can give us some premium material, so it's good to see that. Now, if you came here for a performance review, you came to the wrong spot, unfortunately. I did not wear these to play ball. I only wear my sneakers casually. And even though I only wear my sneakers casually, I still want them to be comfortable. So from a comfort perspective, these are decent. I didn't feel too much response from that full-length air strobo unit when I did wear these, and they do fit narrow. So from a sizing perspective, I'd recommend trying them on first if you get a chance, because they are available. But if you don't get a chance to do that, I'd recommend going true to size. I think that the canvas material just needs to be broken in, and once that happens, they'll fit perfect. Now, if you don't want to go through that break-in process because maybe you don't wear your shoes a lot, because you have a lot in your collection, or you have a wide foot, then maybe go up a half size. So on a scale of 1 to 5, I'm giving these a 4. I really enjoyed reviewing the sneaker. I really enjoyed trying them on. I'm looking forward to wearing them, especially with the summer around the corner. And some of his PEs have been crazy. I'm hoping they drop maybe 1, 2, a couple of them. Not only that, but I'm looking forward to the other colorways that they have in store. The Vortex is next. I probably will pass on those, but looking forward to some of the colorways. And I know this is likely not to happen, but this would be an amazing shoe to have on Nike by you. Only if they did it, I would have a great time customizing something like this. Also, retail $125. Like I said, they're still available. So if you want them now, you can go and buy them. But I'd recommend save some money, wait till they hit a sale. But hit the comments, let me know what you guys think about the Tatum 2s. I really do like them. As usual, if you enjoyed the video, please make sure you hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell notification. I'm out.
I done shed my tears, only right. I laugh to the bank, laugh to the bank. Can't stop for a red light. Still bump on Kanye, can't wait till my bread ride. Can't wait till my bad boy.